Well, we have another amazing mystery box, Doctor Who Gallifreyan edition. That's the box that retails at $24.95 or $99. This one has some interesting stamps, so it has some sort of aviation ones. And then a dog, red setter or something. So that's interesting. Always some interesting stamps on these. So let's take one item at a time now, see what we've got. I won't look. First item is a Doctor Who bobblehead. So I've got the 10th Doctor and Clara Oswald on these. I haven't got 11th Doctor. I don't think I've ever seen this one. It's actually not a bad likeness. If he didn't have tiny little body. I wonder if I could paint the head, put it on a different body. It's a little bit creased on the top, but interesting. Let's pop him out and have a look. Easier said than done. So, yeah, not a bad likeness. That would probably paint up really well. I might have a gut painting that. Can't think what else to do with these bobbleheads. They are a bit strange. It's quite disconcerting, isn't it? That's okay. Nicely sculpted. Yeah, I might repaint that. That might end up as a painting video. Let's see. Item number 2 is a mug. A little TARDIS mug. It's quite a narrow mug. Always happy for mugs. I've not seen that one before. If you remember last time we had a different mug. This one's a bit more stylish. It's nice that. Might use that at work. Let's pop that down here. Next item is Danny Pink. I said last month, that this is the one I wanted. Brilliant. That's pretty much the whole set of those I've got now. So that's Danny Pink when he was turned into a Cyberman. It's very creepy, but really nice detailed figure, that one. That's good. That's a good one. Let's see what's next. It is a weeping angel. What noise does a weeping angel make? That's the noise a weeping angel makes. That is.
The angels are feasting, sir. We shall take her. We shall take all of you. We shall have dominion over all time and space.
Shut up. You know what? It's not as good as the adipose. I preferred that one. I've probably got quite a set of these now. That is very weird, that one. Not sure on that. Else have we got? We've got. Oh, that's nice. A Dalek keychain torch. Okay, let's see what this one does. I don't know how you make it come on. Let's have a look at the instructions. So press front and back. Could have flat batteries, I suppose. Yeah, I reckon that's either got flat batteries or... Oh, there we go. So press front and back. It's actually press sides. Are they bright? That's nice. It's one of the new Paradigm Daleks, which I sort of universally detested. Not got that, so that's an okay. Let's see what else. I don't think there's a lot left in here. Looks like it's a t-shirt. So no signed item this time, which is a bit sad. But we've got the t-shirts back. And that's the 11th Doctor. See that one? That's okay, that's nice. Got River Song. Oh, it's the World War II Daleks. So it's a bit of everything in silence. So nice t-shirt. I've not had a t-shirt in a while, so that's something nice to wear. I think, yeah, that's Shalott this time, so not as good as the last box. The Danny Pink is the best item in there for me. Let's just pop this stuff out. So there we go. So yeah, it was an okay box. Not great, but not bad. Like I say, the Danny Pink I'm happy for. And I'll repaint the bobblehead because I think that'll come up nicely. And the t-shirt's wearable. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this, please like and subscribe to see more, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks then. Bye.